self description. So in this, the student has written, responsible parents, what parents think, that responsible, obedient, take household responsibility, sympathy for the weaker section of the community, they feel proud of my achievements, and things like that the person has written. Also the person has written that they found me, a balanced person and intellectually developed, who don't take care of himself, and is a workaholic and skip meals. Now I don't appreciate a person who is a workaholic, because Forge needs a person who can work as well as enjoy. If you can't enjoy, if you can't find out time for yourself, if you can't find out time to have your meals, okay, then Forge does not need you. You have to be a multitasking person who is able to fulfill all the given task. Even eating a food is a task, and you need to complete that task in a given time frame. You do not have any option, or I would say it's not recommended to leave anything behind. For example, just because you had an order and you had to complete the task, you should not miss your dinner or breakfast just because you were too much occupied in the work. So these two qualities, these three qualities, a person who is not taking care of himself, will he or she will take care of the other person? First question. Workaholic. You have to be a smart working plus a person who can deliver the work on time, as well as a fun loving person. I do not see any line where it's mentioned here that the person is a fun loving person. It's not mentioned in the paragraph. And also skipping a meal I would not appreciate. So these are the drawbacks in the parent section, first of all. Then if you see what his friends think is that he has a lot of friends, and he says that he is a caring person, and he stands along with them in their hard time. Also they seek advice from him. They also found him to be motivating, and they like his commitment and readiness to explore things. Now remember this thing, your friends and your colleagues are same. So in my case, if I say colleagues are my friends, this is the way I start. So definitely, if your subordinates are not your friends, if your colleagues are not your friend, will you be able to write the things? I mean, what happens is your friend and your subordinates will be the same, and you are going to write only one para, not both of it. So the second mistake the person has done is that he has written both the friends wala column and then colleagues column. You're supposed to write only one. Now if I see here, here his subordinates or the colleagues complain that he does not give time. However, this doesn't come in his friends. So let the people who are working for you, definitely colleagues will be this subsection, and if you are a student, then friends will be your subsection. So please make sure the headings are going to be different, but the content is going to be the same. So try writing the same content in both the things. So here I saw that the person does not have time and they complain, and he is again not a fun loving person. However, his friends say that he is a fun loving person. So how no, so he has written that he is a fun loving person, but his parents say that he has not mentioned that his parents are, that he is a fun loving human being. That is not mentioned by his parents, while you spend approx 20 years along with your parents. So your parents know you better than any other human being on this earth. So I think this quality which he has written is a fake quality. Then the employer section, which he has written, again I could not find that it's written that he is a fun loving human being. It's not written. Also about the responsibility part, the confidence part is not written in his parents section as well as in his friend section. It's not mentioned that he is a confident human being. So again, a mismatch of the qualities. In my case, I myself, he has written that he is a confident human being and he loves to explore new things. Also, he completes the task perfectly, which is a good thing. But again, it was not projected by the friends and the colleagues. What kind of person he wants to be? So he said that he wants to be more successful. Now, what does more successful means? Does it mean that you have not been successful? Does that mean you're not successful right now and you want to be more successful? I want myself to become more calm and composed, also a knowledgeable person. So about this calm and composed nature, why it's not written in the friend's paragraph that he is not a calm and composed person. However, it's written in the parent section, okay, but it's not mentioned in the employer or in the friend section. So again, I'm skeptical about whether the person is saying the truth or he is not. So then here you have mentioned that I want myself to become more knowledgeable with the dynamic personality. Now I'll tell you how I perceive things is that if I am checking a Bluetooth speaker, let's say, or speaker in, okay, so मैं किसी भी direction से देखूँ, it is supposed to be the same. So my only concern here is that if you're writing any quality, make sure that it is the same qualities projected in the rest of the four paragraphs, which here it's not mentioned at all. In some paragraph the person is fun-loving, in the other paragraphs it's not mentioned. In some paragraph he's a confident human being, in some paragraph it's not. Some paragraphs he's standing by this other's side, but he's not standing in some paragraphs along with the friends or family. In some paragraph he has mentioned that he was involved in the season making of the family, but he has not mentioned the same thing in himself, that he has got a good decision making skills, which he has not mentioned in him. So there's a mismatch in his traits. So I would say that please try writing the same traits in all the four paragraphs. When it comes to what kind of person you would like to be, since you're going to join Forge, so I would say write that you would like to become an officer. So if you are going to become an officer, you need OLQs, and definitely you're going to work on the OLQs and going to get those OLQs, then only you're going to get recommended in Forge. So I think one line would be sufficient, that I want to be an officer, and you can write your weaknesses, strengths if you want to. I never wrote any weakness of mine, because I believe that I am fixing. I am still fixing. If I have any flaws, I believe in fixing things, then only I can become an officer. So that's the kind of person I want to be in future. I think this video will help you. Please comment if you find any issue.